Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love my new tech devices. I get excited every time something comes in the mail, and I figured I would turn that into a New Tech Tuesday where I review the hottest new tech items every Tuesday on this channel. So today's video, I'm gonna do just that. In fact, I'm gonna focus on smart devices in today's video, and then I'm gonna talk about one really cool new Android box. And this looks huge. It's so much more than an Android box. So I'm just gonna cover each item really quickly. I'm gonna tell you where I got them. Some were purchased, some were donated to me. So I'll go over all that in today's video. We've got string lights, we've got a smart projector with built-in Android. We've got outdoor plugs that are smart, indoor plugs that are smart, and we even have smart bulbs that we're gonna talk about in today's video. All these things will make your life a lot easier. We're gonna cover them all really quickly in today's video right now. All right, so we're gonna start with the string lights right here. Now, why would you want string lights and what makes these special? Well, these are smart ones. This is the new technology, guys. All this stuff is new. This stuff is hot right now. Inventory-wise, I know they're running very thin on these. So if you wanna take advantage of any of these, I will put the links to every one of these items that I got right in the description section of this video. And if you don't see the description below the video, just click on the title of the video and it will pull up the description section right below the video and you'll be able to see links where I got mine. And so we're going to talk about this one here. Now these are smart LED light bulbs. You can get them in either the 24-foot strand, which includes 12 bulbs, or you can do the 48-foot strand, which of course has 24 bulbs. Now you can connect these end to end up to 6 strands, so you can just make a huge impact throughout. I do like that this is Alexa and Google Assistant and app controlled. It makes it really nice. Now, color changing is amazing. That's the cool thing about this is you have 9 different scenes, or you can just change the color to whatever color you can imagine. I think there's like 16 million colors. You can do a warm white, you can do bright white, you can change the brightness of them, all with verbal commands, which is really cool. They do have their own app as well, so if you feel like using the app, and if you don't have, say, an Alexa device or something like that, you can just use their app and still have the same effect. But the voice control is really what's cool about it, using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. They are commercial grade, so what does that mean to you? Well, that means they're waterproof, shatterproof, and they last what seems like forever. So you can put these outdoors and you don't have to worry about the elements. You can do it in all seasons, which makes it really cool. And that's really what I like about these. They last a long time. They have so much to them. They're really gonna spruce up my patio. So if you're interested in something like this, of course, I'll put that link in the description of the video. So what are we gonna talk about next? Let's talk about the other kind of bulb. Now these are indoor bulbs. Now these will replace your regular light bulbs, and each individual bulb, this is a 4-pack right here, but each individual bulb can be programmed with its own name with your devices, whether it's your Amazon Alexa or it's your Google Assistant. You'll be able to control each bulb separately. So you can put them in different bulbs in your house and say, you know, Alexa, turn on bedroom light or off bedroom light, things like that, and it will control those devices verbally. So if you do have one of those Echo Dots or you do have a Google Assistant, something like that, then smart bulbs like this might be a great option for you. There's not much to them. You plug them in, it gives you instructions how to set it up, and then you go through a skill on your Alexa app on your phone. So it's really easy to set up. Guys, any of these items, if you are interested in finding out more information about them, I can do standalone videos on them. Feel free to reach out to me, comment down below. Let me know which item is most appealing to you of the ones I mentioned here today, because every one of these has a market and every one of them is a great new tech item. So these are the smart bulbs. These are really cool. They do a lot. Again, you can put them in any regular socket, and they come in a 4-pack. You can get them individually as well. This brand is the one I like to use. I've tried a few different ones, and these seem to be easier to connect, and they have a little bit longer range, which to me is a big deal, because unless you have boosters all around your house, something like this really makes it a lot easier. So now let's talk about smart plugs. Smart plugs like these right here. It's the same kind of thing as the light bulbs, where you can control it with your Alexa enabled devices. But above that, you've got the indoor ones and the outdoor ones. These are the ones that I chose, and the reason why is, again, because of range and usage. So this one right here is a multi-plug outdoor one, and it does have 3 different plugs. So it's really nice because you can actually control 3 different devices with this. So if you've got some outdoor lights, think something like, I don't know, Christmas, and you've got your Christmas lights outside and you want a smart plug where you can just tell your Alexa enabled devices, your Google enabled devices, hey, turn on Christmas lights or turn on Halloween lights, something like that. This makes it really nice. Now, They're not individually programmed on this, so keep that in mind that you will need one. There's 3 outlets so you can have lights go everywhere, but it's all one. So when you connect that up, you will, of course, have to have more than one if you want to control different functions outdoors. Whereas something like these indoor ones here by GoSund, this is I think this is a 4-pack right here, I believe. I just put some of these in my house and absolutely love them. I had to bring it to you. Yeah, so they've got 4 of them here. Cool thing about these ones here is they are actually individually programmed. So let me show you really quick how that works. So you've got it here, you've got a little button right here. So each one of these is individually controlled. So you can name each plug. So you're really getting 8 outlets here, not just 4 in a way. So it's really cool. You get 8 separately controlled devices with this one here, and I'll put a link where you can get this. These are very affordable, by the way. There is no reason you shouldn't put one of these in every single one of your sockets to be able to control your devices. I mean, think about let's just say Halloween decorations, turn on Halloween decorations. Let's say you have your Christmas tree, turn on Christmas tree. All that can be done verbally with your Echo Dot or even your Google devices, whatever you want to use. Not just that, there's so many more things. I mean, you could turn on, I could go on and on with all the things you can control. Anything you can plug in, you can now control, and you can name your devices with these smart plugs. I love them. I have them all over my house, and I thought you'd really enjoy this. But now let's get to the big one, and that's this right here. I know we have a lot of streamers that watch my videos, and you want Android box information, you want Fire Stick information. Well, this one right here is the big one. So this is the Artly Play Smart Projector. It has built-in operating system. So it already has an Android operating system. You can put those third-party apps on here. You can put your IPTV on here. And the cool thing about this, imagine having an Android box where you don't even need a TV. It just projects it on the wall. You can use surround sound. You can cast your phone to it. I mean, the thing is unlimited with what you can do. You just connect it to your Wi-Fi, and now you have TV, you've got games, you got whatever you want right on your wall, wherever you're at. So this is a really, really cool thing. Now you can connect other devices to it. So let's say, for example, you really like a Fire Stick and you want a projector, you can still connect the Fire Stick to this and use that through here. You don't have to just use their operating system of Android, but their Android operating system is really, really good on this box here. So let's talk a little bit about the specs of this, because I know a lot of people are going to be interested in this. So now the Artly Play Smart Projector uses an Android TV 9.0. It is a portable projector. It is an all-in-one unit. You can grab it by the handle, take it, go, set it up wherever you want. It's really, really easy to use. It is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so it's really cool because you can connect those Bluetooth speakers to it really easily as well. It really is great for portability, or just moving it around your house to different rooms. It makes it so much easier than a traditional projector. It does have built-in Netflix and Disney Plus and Hulu. It is 1080p, which is really good for a projector. You're probably not going to find much better than that for a projector. It does have keystone correction, and a really good one. I've used this for a bit, and I absolutely love their keystone correction. It's really easy to use, and if you don't know what that is, let's say that your angle is coming from down up, you're able to adjust the sides and the top, and that's called the keystone adjustment. You can actually do that. So if you want to connect it, you want to have it at an angle, you can actually have it angled onto a wall, but then still looks, without looking skewed, it would look normal just by adjusting the keystone, if that makes any sense. So it's something I really, really like. If you go on the Amazon website, the link that I gave you, down in the description, you will see there's a $40 off right now. I don't know how long that's going to last, so you might want to grab it as quickly as you can, because those sometimes are very, very limited. So this is New Tech Tuesday. It is a brand new thing that we're going to be doing every Tuesday, so you can count on coming back on Tuesdays and checking out all of our new tech items. If there's an item you would like us to feature on New Tech Tuesday, reach out to me. I put my email address right here on the video so you can contact me. Now, this is not for support. Support is done through Patreon. So if you email me and ask me, how do I do this, how do I do that, probably not going to respond to you, because I have my Patreon support channel for helping people. But if you do have a product you'd like us to review, you can email us that product information and we'll look at it and check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love new tech stuff. I love smart devices, and I love bringing them to you. And I thought this was a good way to cover multiple items in an array or spectrum of different types of devices to you every Tuesday. So check back next Tuesday. I'll be doing another one of these. And of course, any demo products that I have, if anybody's interested in them, on Patreon, I do give a big discount on these products here. But I will put a link where you can purchase these right down in the description section if you're interested. Thanks everybody for joining me today.